Hey guys, Blunderlock here. So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to use Canva to create or make YouTube intros and outros as well as thumbnails and channel banners just to make your channel look a little bit more interesting. I know it's something a little bit different from what I do with my channel regularly where I talk about tech, but this is just a productivity series to show you guys how you can use tech to make your YouTube channel better and how you can use tech to do so many things to improve your YouTube channel or even your Instagram or just overall product design. So first of all, you just go to canva.com and you log in. You have to create a user ID. So Canva has both the free version and the paid version. Obviously, the paid version gives you access to more features than the free version. But for now, let's just assume that most people are going to want to use the free version because not everyone has the financial power to pay for the full version. So we're just going to start by, once you log into Canva, then you go to the home page. You can just type in YouTube intros. So once you type in YouTube, actually lots of options come up. YouTube channel art, YouTube display ad, icon, thumbnail, video ad. So right now we're just going to go to YouTube intros. So YouTube intro is the first one I'm going to teach you guys how to make using Canva. So once you type in YouTube intro, you have lots of different options that you can use for creating your intro. You have the free versions as well as the paid versions. So the free versions, you get free written under it. So you can use this to create different types. You can use the model they already have and just change your name and put in your initials or your poster or something like that. Or you can create a blank one and just put in the necessary information you need. So, and for the paid version, you have paid next to it. So you know that this version, you have to pay for it and you have to use, you have to pay a subscription fee to use that. So let's just use the one with the free version for now. So once you click the one with the free version, it refers you over to a different page. Actually, Canva also has an app for the iOS, the iPad, and Android devices as well. So you can also use the app, but just now we're just thinking like maybe someone's using a computer or using a laptop or something like that, then you just go directly to the site. So we have something like this. So this is the outro. This is just a 5-second outro. This is the intro actually. This is a 5-second intro. So you can just make some adjustment like moving them around. You can also change the colors and do lots of different things. If you want to change the color, you can change it to whatever color you like, just depending on your taste or the feature of your channel. And you can also change the text to whatever you want. Just change it to whatever you want. So after you do all that, and you can also add a picture, just any picture of your choice, you go to photos. So it gives you the photos that you have, and you also have the options to upload different photos from your album, and you can use that for the photos as well. So after you finish making the intro or the outro, the next thing you're gonna do is you are gonna click download video. So once you click on download video, you have the choose the MP4 or you can choose GIF. Depends on whatever you want, and you just download the video. So it's just going to show you preparing your design. So once you're done with downloading the video, you can save it on your file or you can save it anywhere else that you prefer. You can also do this on the computer as well and to save to downloads, and you can also use the app. So just you choose the destination where you want it to be saved to. So let's just look at the next one. So this was just the YouTube intros and outros. Both of them are normally in the same place. Either you search for an intro or you search for the outro. They're in the same place, and you have lots of amazing designs that you can use already made. You just have to make some few adjustments, probably putting in your pictures of putting your initials. So the next one that we are going to look at is thumbnails. We're going to look at creating YouTube thumbnails. So using Canva as well, you just search for YouTube thumbnails and they come up straight away. As you can see, they have different templates. Also with the intro and outros, they have the free templates and they have the paid templates. It just depends on whatever one you want to use. So if you want to use the free template, you just look for the one that free is written under. If you pay the subscription fee for Canva, then you can use the paid one as well. So if we just pick one, for example, we pick this one for the free, because we are just assuming people want to use the free segment because not a lot of people have money to pay for the subscription. So just looking at this is basically easy to edit it to whatever you want. You can change it and you can also change the colors and you can also add more shapes as well while changing the colors. And as for the pictures, you can change the pictures like I said before in the intro and the outro. You just go and you add your own pictures and you can change it from there. You can add your pictures to wherever you want to cover up and use that to make a new thumbnail for your video. Whatever your video is about, you can use that to make a new thumbnail. So it has different templates you can switch. There are templates for music videos, there are templates for food YouTube channels, beauty channels, tutorial channels, travel channels, and all different types of channels. So it's just your choice for whichever one you want to choose. If your channel is pushed towards a particular niche, whether it's beauty, music, or whatever, you can always find it here on Canva. So after you finish with all your design, you just basically go through the same thing. You go through download. You can choose different file types depending on the type you want. So once you choose the file type, the next thing you have to do is just click on download and it will go straight to your saved files. It will prepare the design first, after which it will go to your saved files. So let's look at the next one. So apart from thumbnails, we can also use Canva to create channel art as well. So we just remove the thumbnail sign and we can see channel art. So you can use Canva to create different types of amazing channel art. Actually, my channel art as well, I used Canva to create it. You can create a channel art from a blank slate. It will give you different tools that you can use to do that as well. Or you can use the free options on Canva. So it just depends on whatever one you are interested in. Like I said, if you have the paid subscription, that's good. You can use the paid option, but there are also amazing free designs that you can use easily and you can use different ones. So let's look for free design. For example, we can use this one. So this is a free channel art design. Like I said, just to change it, you double click on it and you can write whatever name you want. And you can write whatever your channel is about and just do different type of edits on it. And you can add pictures or whatever you want. You can also animate the picture as well. So you also have so many different options. You have the music channel option, the beauty channel option, travel channel option, makeup channel option. It just depends on whatever your niche is and whatever you want to concentrate on when you're using Canva. If you want to do something specific, then you can do that as well. So after you finish with the edit and everything, you can just pretty much go to download exactly the same way. You download it and it goes to your saved files or your downloaded files. You can change the format or the file type to whatever you want. So it just depends on you as well. So another thing that we can also do on Canva for your YouTube channel is we can create display ads. So display ads are just for, normally they're for, like, for example, if you have a YouTube channel that is already being sponsored by someone, or your YouTube channel is being supported by someone or a particular business, then you can use the display ads. They are the display ads that pop up when you see some people saying this video is sponsored by so so so, or this video is sponsored by another person. You can also use Canva to create this. So, and it's a pretty easy process, just follows the same process as the other ones. So you can have the free version as well as the paid version. Just depends on whatever one you want to use. So another thing that's interesting, or another thing that's amazing about Canva is, I know I've been talking about mostly YouTube, doing different stuffs on YouTube, but you can use Canvas to create posters, flyers, uh, infographics, presentations. You can use it to create so many things: resumes, logos, newsletter, also Instagram posts. I know a lot of people love using Instagram. So you can use it to create different things that is going to make your channel or your Instagram and more interesting or more amazing for people. You can also use it for TikTok, you can use it for Facebook, you can use it for so many different things. So Canva is really one of those amazing productivity websites or productivity apps that you can use, and you will get almost everything you need, and it's really, really amazing. For example, if you want to edit an Instagram post, you just click on the Instagram post and it takes you to the page. All you have to do is, there are different templates that you can use as well. So we have one here. We have different newsletter, animated Instagram post. We have different ones that you can use. For example, you can use this one. I mean, it's almost Valentine's Day, so you can use this one just to create something special for someone, to send it to someone, or any other thing. So there's so many different things you can use. You can upload different pictures, use already installed pictures. There are different elements that you can add to it as well. The text, you can also add audio, you can add video, change the background. There are so many different things that you can do with Canva that make it so interesting. So this was just a short productivity video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.